Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all another ombre bob. You all really enjoyed the last one that I did on my channel, and I'll link the other video in the cards above so you all can go check it out. This one is from Lace Wigs. This is what the box looks like, and y'all, I hope y'all checked out my last YAKI straight video from them. That one was so freaking awesome. It's one of my favorites. Like literally that YAKI straight from them was the real deal. It was A1. So we're gonna get into this one. And as I shared previously, they have so much stuff that comes in the box. Like, look at all this. I believe this is something that they offer on their website. I don't know if it's something that comes for free in the box. This is the wig knot healer. Now this is really good for concealing the knots. And this color may be good for my scalp color. It comes with an elastic band. You get a flyaway tamer. And these scalp color stocking caps. That's where I got this one from. And I love, love, love these. So let's see what the unit looks like. And I really like their units a great deal because they also come with a lot of the work done. So they've already bleached the knots. Y'all look at that color. This is a really rich and beautiful color that I feel like would look good against any skin tone. But dark skin, that's gonna be so pretty. Okay, and let's look at the hairline. So the hairline has been pre-plucked, as you can see. And I'm gonna put it on my mannequin head so you all can see it a little better. This one is a 360, so if you desire to put it up, you could. And it is in length 14, so that's enough length for you to be able to put it in a ponytail. If nothing else, a ponytail in the back. I don't know if you'd be able to get it all up at the top, but you could do one in the back. And this one does come with an adjustable elastic band. And this one adjusts by pulling on the side. It doesn't have like the bra strap construction that some of the elastic bands come with that wig companies do. But it does adjust so that you can actually loosen it or tighten it as needed. And this one will come off as well. Now this is gonna be a glueless lace install. I'm gonna try my best not to glue it down. We're gonna see if we can do that. Now on the inside, we have two combs on the side. There's the other one. And there's a comb in the middle, which I generally remove because it's not needed. And then there's a comb at the bottom. And y'all, this unit is also in the YAKI straight texture. I really like it a lot. As I stated in my last YAKI straight video that I did with them, theirs doesn't have the overly done kinks or anything. It doesn't even show the kinks, which is good. So it looks like our hair when it's been pressed out really well. Let me try it on and let's see what the color looks like, fit and everything. And then we can kind of gauge. Yeah, I'm gonna, it looks great, but I want to change the color just a little bit so it matches my skin color a little better. I want to see what this would look like. I want to try that out. We're gonna press out the hair and everything. And ooh, this is asymmetrical. So it's longer on this side, shorter on this side. That's real cute. That's gonna look real nice. Okay, I cannot wait. All right, I'm gonna take it off and we're gonna go to work.
Waited by the phone for 5 hours, staring out the window, trying to locate where your manners disappeared to, hoping you would come back with some excuse. But the absence of common courtesy left me confused. So why didn't you call? Hello? You couldn't pick up the phone. No. Hello? You had both numbers, but you didn't bother to pick up the phone. making some progress. Guess I thought wrong, but you had my feelings under arrest. Then you walked off. You claim to be this honest person, yet something's clearly wrong.
All right, guys, so now we have gone through the process of straightening the hair. We've also cut off the lace. I added my Sally Hansen to the cap. And let's see, well, I added my Sally Hansen to the lace. Why did I say the cap? And I'm actually gonna go in and tighten the elastic band before I put it on, because I want this unit to hug my head.
It's like you held a mask over your head. But why didn't you call?
Turn into a new woman. I really like this. Y'all, actually braiding your hair down really makes a difference. When I've worn one of their units in the past, I thought there was maybe something off with the cap construction because it was a size medium, but I don't know, it fit me weird, but I didn't braid my hair down. So braid your hair down and you'll get a much better lay. Y'all, this is very different for me because I'm accustomed to wearing my part on the, what side is this? On the right side, so very different. But you could actually take the hair and bring it over to this side, which I think I might end up doing. But it kind of changes the shade because I'm looking over here and this side has not been cut shorter. So this is one that I'm gonna have to leave as is. So that's kind of a bummer. It's not a deal breaker or anything, but I'm just used to having my hair on the other side. And if I wanted to kind of swoop one side behind my ear, I can do that. So that helps because I always have one side out. So you could wear it with it out on this side, but I just feel like for me, I just like having my ears exposed. I don't know why. Yeah, I like it better like that. I think that looks good. Especially since I can't switch the sides. You can switch it. Let me see what it would look like if I were to switch it. All right, so I'm gonna show you all the hair from all angles before we try to shift the part and see what that looks like. For this one, I didn't have to actually take out any baby hair or anything. The parting space looks good. And this looks like maybe 4.5 inches of parting space. Okay, this is what the longer side looks like. That cut looks really good. And now this is the shorter side. And if you were to comb it out and just have it out on the side, that's what it looks like. Y'all let me know which one y'all like better. Out or behind my ear. Y'all could feel this hair. The way it feels is just amazing. And look at the movement. It's all on my lip now. All right, so now we're gonna see what it looks like if we were to do a middle part. Okay, if you wanted to do a middle part, you could do that. Now it does kind of alter the precision of the cut because you do have a little longer tail here that you didn't have when it was actually parted off to the side, which was the pre-style look. Now what I'm interested to see is what it's going to look like when I shift the part from the left side to the right, because that's where I generally wear my part. It's the most comfortable for me. So let's check it out, guys. Okay, while I do like how it looks on this side, it works on this side, but on this one, the cut looks a little too long for it to actually look like it was supposed to be that way. Now, if you wanted to go in and just cut it on this side so it no longer has the asymmetrical feel, then you could do that to make it work. But this one is structured so that it looks more natural and the cut looks more asymmetrical if you have it parted on the left side. That's just something to keep in mind. You can part it down the middle, you can part it to the left or to the right, but it is going to alter the cut. It would really be awesome if on the website they offered the option for you to be able to determine which side you wanted your part on. So if you're someone like me that often wears their hair parted on the right side, then you can have the longer side on the left, because I feel like that would have been, oh my goodness, that would have looked bomb on me, because that's the side that I generally wear with the longer extended side, and my part is usually on this side. But it came styled on this side, and as a result, the longer side ended up being on the right, which covers what I feel like is my good side. Do y'all have a good side? Maybe it's just me. But I love the unit. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I'm really gonna try to bring you guys more glueless units and also show you all how you can actually style them so that they look natural. This unit looks very natural. The parting and everything looks awesome. And this texture, once again, is one that mimics our African American texture, so I'm all about it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this video with your friends and turn on your notifications, guys. We are not playing this year. I am bringing you all some heat. I hope y'all are enjoying it. We're getting to 200K. It's gonna happen. I love y'all. Thank you all so much for all your continued support. Thank you so much for your comments, your feedback. I really appreciate it. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.